Jaaims app. The pros, the cons. Jaaims is a social investing platform that combined investment tracking with community insights. But is it worth joining? Starting with the pros first, community-driven insights. Users can see what others are investing in, creating opportunities to learn from peers. Second, portfolio tracking. The app allows users to track multiple investments across platforms in one place, simplifying management. Third, gamified features. Jaaims encourages engagement through challenges and rewards, making investing more interactive. Now, the cons. One drawback is potential bias. Community suggestions may not always be reliable, and inexperienced investors could follow poor advice. Another limitation is limited direct trading. The app focuses more on tracking and social features than executing trades. The surprising truth? Jaaims is best for those who enjoy a social approach to investing, but traditional investors may prefer more professional-focused platforms. In conclusion, the pros: community insights, portfolio tracking, and gamified engagement make Jaaims appealing for interactive investors. The cons: reliance on community advice and limited trading may not suit everyone.